What up, YouTube world? It's your boy Slick Trader in the house. So we're gonna review Microsoft chart. We're gonna do a quick 5-minute video. Make this short and sweet. Microsoft, you can see on the monthly, it's way overextended. Parabolic state. Parabolic state means that price is just going up and up and up and up. And eventually this comes to an end, and when it comes to the end, it's not gonna end pretty well. You can see you have bearish divergence here, higher highs, more negative momentum. And now let's get out of the monthly time frame and jump into the weekly. Come on, TD Ameritrade, why you acting so slow, homie? Hello, any day now. You know, just a normal TD Ameritrade perks out here. Fucking bitch. Wow, are you serious? Okay. We'll just go to trading view. How about that? Okay. Said it was gonna be 5 minutes. I guess not. Okay. So if you look at the Microsoft draw Fibonacci retracement, that swing high, swing low, we bounced off the 1618, rallied. I would have liked to hit that 241, $241, hit that 200%. This is log scale. Take it out of log, we already reached the 4618, which is usually a reversal zone area. Now this is a monthly. It's just looking bad. I think this is gonna come to a real bad ending for Microsoft. I think $150 is reasonable, even maybe more than that to pull back. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish divergence on the RSI. You have your first negative momentum on the squeeze indicator. Your parabolic. And this candle looks like it closed, engulfing 2 months worth of price action. So that is very dangerous. Well, look at the weekly. Let me put the moving averages on here. Okay, so if we continue to sell off and close below 198 this week, it's not gonna be good. We should be coming down to 187 by next week. That's just an area of support. I would believe that we were gonna come to the 3.618, which is 178. Is it possible? Very. Pullback is much needed on Microsoft, and it explains why Bill Gates stepped away from Microsoft, because he knows that the chart is gonna end pretty bad, homie. Okay, let's look on the daily. On the daily, okay, closed below the 20 and the 50 moving average. Support on the 100. I don't think that's gonna hold with this bearish engulfing pattern. I believe the RSI is still gonna come down to 31 once we reach the RSI at 31 with a higher low, which is very possible. We might come down to 182 to test the 200 moving average. Support here, support between 190 and 185. Possible area to go along. Now if we look on the 4-hour, it's looking bearish. What can happen if the market if it wanted to turn around, is possibly inverse head and shoulder here forming an entry level. It's very risky because you're jumping the gun and the market's being bearish. But if it plays well, then you know, you could get some serious reward. Now if we look on the 1 hour, right, it's looking better, right? in the inverse. Okay, now let's look at here. We failed to hold the 618. I think we're going to come down to 198 short term by tomorrow, even maybe 196 by tomorrow. Okay, now let's look at the dollar. Dollar, I think we might have a bounce tomorrow on the market, and the reason I say that because the dollar is in a rising wedge formation. This rising wedge looks beautiful. I think it's time, and the way to measure this target is we can use the width of the triangle, and this could come back and test 100. Is it possible? Very possible. We have, look at this, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, and all these negative momentums. It's gonna get pretty nasty, and that's why I think SPY should bounce with this lower low with more negative momentum. If this continues, we might have a bounce. Let's look at the QQQ since we're looking at Microsoft. QQQ has not broken the low yet. If this doesn't break by tomorrow, then we might continue to the upside. So we have nice support here at the QQQ. Another nice area of support is 255 area, and then it will be 247 next area of support. Best area of support would be at 230 240, and this would actually be a retracement from swing high to swing low. So from here to here, 382 is the first target for retracement. $240 for QQQ possible? I believe so. So try to make this as quick as possible. The shorter the video, the better. If you have any questions, holla at your boy. Peace from the Middle East.